I would like to introduce another verb form with the ending "ie", like खाइए from khana, to eat, जाइए from jana, to go, बोलिए from बोलना, to speak, होइए from होना, to be, चाहिए from chahna, to want. So we're simply replacing na with ie, except in cases where the base of the verb ends with an e sound or an a sound, like pina, to drink, lena, to take, and dena, to give. In this case, we add die instead of ie. So pina becomes pijiye, lena becomes lijiye, and dena becomes dijiye. The verb karna is irregular. Karna becomes kijiye, and of course karna means to do. The word for me is mujhe, which also acts like to me. To individually is ko. So to me can also be mujhko. To you is therefore aapko. How would you say you want to give me? To give is dena. First say you are. आप हैं. Say you want. आप चाहते हैं. Say you want to give. आप देना चाहते हैं, or आप देना चाहती हैं for women. Now say you want to give me, literally you, to me, to give, want, are. आप मुझे देना चाहते हैं, or आप मुझे देना चाहती हैं. You can also now say आप मुझे कुछ देना चाहते हैं, where kuch is something. How would you say I can give you? मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ. मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ. I can give you. Now try you are giving me. Remember raha. आप मुझे दे रहे हैं, और आप मुझे दे रही हैं. Now we come back to the EA form of verbs. Just try saying give me, literally to me give. मुझे दीजिए. मुझे दीजिए. Let's try the verbs mentioned in this lesson. Say eat something. कुछ खाइए. कुछ खाइए. Say go. जाइए. Say speak English. English बोलिए. English is actually called अंग्रेजी. So अंग्रेजी बोलिए. Speak English. Water is pani. To drink is pina. Say drink water. पानी पीजिए. You're giving an order, but it is a polite order. पानी पीजिए. You already know मैं चाहता हूँ / चाहती हूँ and आप चाहते हैं / चाहती हैं. You can also say मुझे चाहिए, that is, to me, want. Try to say in this way, I want water. पानी, I want water. मुझे पानी चाहिए. मुझे पानी चाहिए. Similarly say, you want something. आपको कुछ चाहिए. आपको कुछ चाहिए. The word for what in Urdu is kya. How was kaise and what is kya. Try to form the question, what do you want? आपको क्या चाहिए? आपको क्या चाहिए? You can also say आप क्या चाहते हैं / चाहती हैं. And you should notice that in चाहिए form, gender is indistinguishable. One more point. We've seen आप मुझे दीजिए, but there is no such thing as मैं आपको दीजिए or मैं आपको चाहिए. It doesn't make any sense. For that you'll have to make do with मैं आपको देता हूँ or मैं आपको चाहता हूँ, etc.